Welcome to the world of DIY designer, where luxury meets affordability in the most stylish way possible. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of fashion on a budget, exploring the art of creating high-end looks without breaking the bank. First up, let's talk about the magic of repurposing and revamping your wardrobe. From adding embellishments to a plain t-shirt to altering hemlines on skirts and dresses, the possibilities are endless when it comes to transforming old clothes into trendy new pieces. Next, we'll take a trip to the thrift store to uncover hidden treasures waiting to be upcycled. Learn how to spot high-quality items, what to look for in terms of fabric and construction, and how to breathe new life into pre-loved pieces. Accessories play a crucial role in elevating any outfit, and we'll show you how to make your own statement jewelry, customize belts and bags with DIY embellishments, and turn basic accessories into luxurious must-haves. Embellishments are key to making ordinary clothes stand out. Whether it's attaching rhinestones to a jacket, adding embroidery to jeans, or personalizing a denim jacket with patches. Proper fit is essential for a polished look, so we'll cover basic tailoring techniques like hemming pants and skirts, taking in seams for a better fit, and adjusting waistbands for comfort and style. Choosing the right fabric can make all the difference in your DIY projects. Discover different types of fabrics, affordable options that mimic high-end materials, and where to find quality fabrics on a budget. Mixing high and low pieces is an art form in itself. Learn how to pair designer blouses with thrifted jeans, style luxury accessories with DIY pieces, and create balanced outfits that exude sophistication. Building a capsule wardrobe with versatile pieces simplifies your fashion choices. Identify key items, mix and match for multiple outfits, and focus on timeless styles that offer endless possibilities. Embrace sustainable fashion by reusing and recycling materials, creating eco-friendly pieces, and making conscious choices in your everyday wardrobe. Mastering sewing basics opens up a world of possibilities. Learn essential skills, sew simple garments, and choose projects that match your skill level. Creating your own clothing patterns allows for truly custom pieces. Dive into the basics of pattern making, draft simple patterns, and adjust them to fit your measurements perfectly. Plan your DIY projects with inspiration boards to visualize your ideas. Gather inspiration from various sources and use your board to bring your luxury looks to life. Managing your fashion budget effectively is crucial. Discover tips for saving money on materials, finding discounts, and planning projects within your budget. Enhance your DIY skills with online tutorials and resources. Explore the best websites, YouTube channels, and blogs for free tutorials. Find patterns for luxury looks on a budget, and access online resources for all your DIY fashion needs. Join the Trend Tribe community for support and inspiration. Share your projects, connect with fellow fashion enthusiasts, and engage with our community to showcase your creations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through DIY designer. Let these tips inspire you to create luxurious looks on a budget. Remember, fashion is not about the price tag, but the creativity and passion you bring to your style.